Boom shakalaka, massive short squeeze setup. Why Bitcoin could be $50,000 by summer and much higher not long after. Plus, massive altcoin rally on the way. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video we're taking a look at a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including why Bitcoin could be ending up around $50,000 by this summer and altcoins on the way to a massive rally. Before we get into it, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at @CryptoLove. Push that like button. Now, today, fear and greed 45, down from yesterday 52, from neutral back into light fear. The overall market up at 2% today. Bitcoin at 21,118, Ethereum at 1567, BNB at 303, XRP 39 cents, Cardano 35 cents, Dogecoin 8 cents, and Solana $24. Now, Bitcoin today basically recuperating the whole FTX loss with a nice W or B-shaped double bottom right there, sitting above previous all-time highs, $20,000, also sitting above the 200-day moving average, this orange line. The last time Bitcoin broke above that orange line on average went up 3.5x. That would put Bitcoin to previous all-time highs. And if you take a look at the volume profile above my head here, there is not much resistance for Bitcoin aside from $23,000 and $30,000. And then if we zoom out a little bit, really not until $38,000, $42,000, and $47,000 where we start to see some real resistance. Most of the resistance is from 38 to 53. That'll be the embattled territory for Bitcoin. But if we take a look, massive short squeeze setup right here on the put to call premium. This is just the type of setup you want to see for a massive short squeeze in the market. Everybody right now betting on the market to go down. And you know when the last time everybody was right? Never. So that being said, we also have a McClellan summation, basically where this goes down and then comes back up, has just seen a strong thrust. This is similar to the 2015-2016 double McClellan summation setup. Back then, the markets ended up with a strong rally, and even times when we had a single McClellan summation thrust, strong rallies afterwards. Everybody betting on the market going down, the market could be going up. Right now, it appears like miners are turning their machines right back on. This has now been confirmed by a bullish cross from the hash ribbons. Miners have stopped selling and are now plugging in machines at a sufficient rate to declare this period of miner capitulation over. So people aren't selling because of FTX FUD anymore. Miners aren't selling because they need to cover their costs. Basically, everybody's done selling, and now people are buying because the price is going up. We've had our bottoms. We had an Adam bottom, we had an Adam Eve bottom, another Adam Eve bottom, and a double Eve bottom. Most recently, all of these, Bitcoin's forbidden fruit double bottoms. Now, Bitcoin, it appears like it's just a rinse and repeat buy, hodl, sell. We've already had the buy cross. Now we just wait for the hodl cross when things really start to take off, and then just wait for the sell cross. Right now is a great time to accumulate Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, for the first time, the 3-day super trend has officially flashed green for the first time in over 13 months, over a year. It has been red, very, very long time. Finally found a little bit of green. Each time it's been green previously, this has been a nice Bitcoin rally. This could be the beginning of something big for Bitcoin. Also, the 50 and 100-day SMAs, the last time it crossed, bottom was found. Had a nice rally for Bitcoin. We just had another cross for this. Bottom could be found. Massive Bitcoin rally in the works. As a matter of fact, this could be Bitcoin's most hated rally. The rally so few are seeing happening in 2023 could, if confirmed, end up reaching the 78.6 fib by May of 2023. That is just a few months away. Based on the past cycle, Bitcoin price reached the 78.6 fib 46 bars, 46 weeks before the halving back then. So 46 bars before that halving would put us out May of 2023, and the 78.6 fib would be $50,484.26. Could be amazing for Bitcoin. Or if you want to wait a little bit longer, check out this, the power law model. After enduring another Bitcoin bear market, the inevitable return to red will be glorious. Red is when you want to sell Bitcoin. Blue here is when you want to accumulate or buy Bitcoin. We are still just barely in red territory from $13,000 to $22,000. When it gets up to red territory, that is $101,000 to $157,000. That's the sell territory. The longer it takes to get there, the higher that number will be. Could you imagine a $100,000 plus Bitcoin in the next bull run? I certainly could. But you know what? If you don't want to wait for trusty dusty Bitcoin that just moves so darn slow, you could go get yourself some altcoins, because if we take a look, altcoins are set for a massive rally. Really nice to see the total market cap chart still making the same moves as in the 2014 to 2018 cycle. We had the hammer down as things crashed. We had higher lows, a breakout, a retest before rocketing off. Well, we've had the hammer down, we've had higher lows, we've had a breakout, retest. Next would be absolutely massive rally. And if you didn't like that chart, here's another way of looking at it. We have the mass adoption cup, the inverted handle, followed by a massive rally. Well, we had mass adoption cup, inverted handle, potentially massive rally coming for altcoins, because this signal has never been wrong. The Fisher transform crosses every 4 years. Each time this was a signal for an altcoin rally. If we saw here in 2015 when it crossed, guess what? Altcoin rally started. In 2019 when it crossed, altcoin rally started. Guess what? It just crossed again. It crosses very, very close. Well, could be the beginning of another massive rally for altcoins. So that's all for today's video. If you did enjoy it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
Never gonna give